grade seems like a very early age to say, this year had the greatest impact on me as a student, but here, I guess not. I might not exactly remember who was in my class, but I remember what we did, and most importantly, I remember how you made it work. Third grade was one of the first times where I really felt like I was doing something right. It was one of the first times where a teacher went out of their way to make sure I was following along, also having fun. They were positive and encouraging, but most of all, inclusive. You would let me take a pit stop to hug my sister in the hallway and somehow always managed to put up with all my endless rambling. Third grade was the year that sculpted my interest. With the work done and how you presented everything, that year felt special. It still is special. Third grade curriculum might not have been something I went through a long time ago, but who knew what you introduced me to would mold my future. Natural sciences and ancient history, a lot of it surprisingly stuck. Almost 10 years later, you were still a part of everything. You helped make me, me. I've always hoped that I would manage to have an impression on my teachers. Maybe at that point it was not always for the right reasons, but I promise from here on out it is going to be cake days only. Oh.